Привет! Today we're going to talk about greetings. Let's add some new expressions and words to our vocabulary. Здравствуйте. Hello. Привет. Hi. Доброе утро. Good morning. Добрый день. Good afternoon. Добрый вечер. Good evening. Спокойной ночи. Good night before going to sleep. Как дела? How are you? Хорошо. Good. Плохо. Bad. Нормально. Not bad. Okay. До свидания. Goodbye. Пока. Bye. The second topic for today's lesson is the simple grammar construction. This is это. Это plus any noun equals complete sentence. For example, это учитель. This is a teacher. Это компьютер. This is a computer. Это телефон. This is a phone. Это Москва. This is Moscow. Now, we will talk about Russian nouns. A noun names a person, animal, phenomenon, thing, substance, and so on. All Russian nouns belong to one of the three genders: masculine, feminine, and neuter. Why is it important? When later we start using adjectives and verbs, it is gender that affects the endings. In Russian, it's fairly easy to understand what category the word belongs to. First, look at the natural gender, I mean the sex of the being. If you understand that it's a male, the noun is masculine. For example, мужчина, man, папа, dad, друг, male friend, дядя, uncle, дедушка, grandpa. If it's clearly a female, the noun is feminine. For example, женщина, woman, мама, mom, мать, mother. Second, look at the ending. Masculine nouns end with a consonant or y. For example, завод, factory, музей, museum, телефон, phone, микрофон, microphone, телевизор, TV set, холодильник, fridge, office, office, stол, table. Feminine nouns end with a and ya. For example, семья, family, машина, car, зима, winter, салфетка, napkin, лампа, lamp, еда, food, pizza, pizza, Россия, Russia. Neuter nouns end with or and ye. For example, здание, building, вино, wine, пиво, beer, море, sea, окно, window, упражнение, exercise, солнце, sun, настроение, mood. Also, remember the words время, time, and имя, name, are neuter too. Indeclinable nouns of foreign origin, ending with ao, au, i, u, ю, э. Most of these words are neuter. Какао, cocoa, жюри, jury, желе, jelly, coupé, compartment, menu, menu, résumé, resume or CV, taxi, taxi, show, show. What if the soft sign is in the ending? It's quite tricky when you see a soft sign in the ending. I'd say that in 3 out of 4 of cases, the noun would be feminine. The rest are masculine. Some guidelines for you below. First of all, feminine. Here's where natural gender plays a big role again. Мать, mother, дочь, daughter, свекровь, mother-in-law. All nouns in ж, ч, ш, щ, зн, м, п, ф are also feminine. All nouns in st, except for гость, guest, and тесть, father-in-law. Most nouns in б, в, д, з, с, р, т, except for дождь, rain, князь, prince, ноготь, nail, медведь, bear, and others. Masculine, all the months, январь, февраль, март, апрель, май, июнь, июль, август, сентябрь, октябрь, ноябрь, декабрь. Natural masculines. Царь, цаа, король, king, зять, son-in-law, парень, lad. Most nouns in тель. Учитель, teacher, строитель, builder, краситель, dye. Most nouns in арь. Пекарь, baker, вратарь, goalkeeper, дикарь, caveman. That was all for today's lesson. Hope to see you again next time.